I started by saying that I wondered if I could do it. So now here the narrator is answering us what he was talking in the opening line of the story. The story was started with a line, I wondered if I can do it. So now here he is ending the same line. I started by saying that I wondered if I could do it, and now I must tell you what it is that I have tried to do. Now he is telling me, now he is telling us what he was wondering about. I wanted to see whether I could hold your attention for a few pages while I drew for you the portrait of a man, just an ordinary fisherman who possessed nothing in the world except a quality which is the rarest, the most precious, and the loveliest that anyone can have. So now he is telling that he was wondering whether he would be able to hold our attention for a few pages while we are reading about Salvatore till the end. We are captivated by this story or not. He has drawn before us up the portrait of a man who is named as Salvatore, and he is a man who is gem at heart, and he is filled with the rarest quality which anyone can have, and that rarest and most precious quality is the goodness. Heaven only knows why he should so strangely and unexpectedly have possessed it. All I know is that it is shown in him with a radiance that, if it had not been unconscious and so humble, would have been common to the common run of men, hardly bearable. And in case you have not guessed what the quality was, I will tell you goodness, just goodness. So here the narrator is telling us that Salvatore is filled with so much of goodness, and this makes him different from all other human. He is so different, he is so lovable because of this rarest quality which he was having in him, that is the goodness. So this was the story of a normal fisherman whose name is Salvatore, and it is a biography of Salvatore since his childhood days, then from childhood to his affair days, then after being ditched, again marrying another woman whose name is Asanta, and then from being a son to a husband, and then from being a husband to a father. He played his role very nicely and completed all his responsibilities in a very positive way. So this was a story. In my further videos I will be discussing other elements of the story. Thank you.